Enough is enough. In a few weeks, our government will introduce legislation to ban speed cameras in Ontario.
Since 2020, the City of Toronto has been using automated speed enforcement cameras, or ASE, to reduce speeding in school and community safety zones. The program started after Ontario gave approval back in 2017. By early 2020, Toronto was sending out warning letters and full ticketing began soon after, and the numbers grew quickly. By the end of 2022, over 560,000 tickets had been issued through these fixed cameras, generating around $34 million in fines. One camera on Parkside Drive issued more than 66,000 tickets and brought in over $7 million on its own. At one point, there were about 150 cameras across the city. But now, things are changing. Just recently, my daughter pointed one out, right down the road from our home. She said, "They cut the head off." And she's right. Across Toronto, many of these camera poles are being cut. Some neatly removed, others left behind with only the base showing. It's hard to say how many are still operating. Premier Doug Ford has criticized the program, calling it a cash grab, and says the cameras are hidden and often penalize minor infractions. He's even floated the idea of banning them across Ontario. City officials disagree. They point to data showing up to a 45% drop in speeding in areas where cameras were installed. So what's your take? Are speed cameras a necessary safety tool, or have they gone too far? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more stories like this.